Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a really cool 2020 Hot Wheels Premium. As you can see right there, that means these have metal on metal with real riders. Got the Porsche 959 1986. And this is actually from last year. I picked this up earlier this year at my Target. And I got this, oh man, like 5 months ago. I've been saving it in this packaging. Package has some wrinkles on it. But I want to save the packaging in nice shape. So I have a special technique that I'm going to open this with. This is number 5 of 5 of the Car Culture Wild Terrain series. This is the series that it's from. And like the color printing on the card. Here's the other cards you can get. I love this one. I want to get this one, but I haven't seen it. These are all from 2020, so I haven't seen these anymore. I saw this one and this one, but I did not pick them up. I wish I got that Land Rover. Because my Land Rover is the Land Rover is my favorite out of them. Oh, forgot to say the toy number. What's the toy number? And on the premiums, you can see it right there. GJP 87. I got my X-Acto blade here, and that's how I'm going to be opening up this vehicle today. Be very careful with your X-Acto blades. I'm gonna put like a little cut in it. I feel like I need a stronger knife, because this is not cutting it. Get it? Well, if this knife isn't doing it, I'll just rip it right open. Honestly, that was more fun to do than just extract it surgically. Look at that. I've only unboxed one other Hot Wheels Premium on the channel, and that was my Lotus Espirit S1 right here. This is my second Premium opening. We got white Real Rider 8 spokes, and we got nice weight on this car. This is a heavy car. A nice look at our Porsche 959 1986 Porsche 959. Loving the details. It says Bilstein on the side, 186 Porsche, and we got red and yellow striping on it. And looks like those windows are half open, which is really cool. Oh, mirrors. We got mirrors. This is a very cool Hot Wheels Premium. Lots of detail to show. White hood, so we got two-tone white and blue Porsche on the top, and we got those clear headlights as well, the Porsche logo. Here's the front of it, nice classic Porsche logo, and look at that, nice casting. Finally have this one loose, and I love it loose now. So glad I opened this one. White Real Ride 8 spokes, as I said. And, ooh, parking lights right under there. And looks like we got a black interior on this Porsche. Got 186 on the top there, and I'm not sure what that is. We got some different colors, blue, yellow, and red. And there's like, I think it's like a scarlet orange. It's showing up as red off camera. It does look a little different off camera. That blue looks more like a purple off camera. Ooh, look at the rear. Very detailed, as you can see. Just a beautiful casting. And this one should be metal on metal, as it says on the card. Black interior. Can you see? Can you see? I don't know if you can see or not. And now, here's a look at our Porsche base diecast. And it's like a matte black. This is a thick die-cast base. I don't know how thick it is, you can see. Kind of hard to tell, but it says Porsche 959 1986 on the bottom. GJP 87. This is actually the first edition of this casting. And it's only appeared in premiums. And N21's the base code, made in Thailand this time. Slick tires. And if you wanted to, you could actually peel those tires right off the rims, but I'm not going to do that because I'm smart, I guess. I don't know. It'll stretch the tires. Don't try it at home. But yeah, I love this casting. Love my Porsches, especially my premiums. Can't wait to add this to my premium collection. I have a couple more of them. Alright, now we're going to weigh it. Got my Maxxis scale right here. Elite Maxxis scale. Let's put it on there. It's metal on metal, so it should be pretty heavy. 1.829, as you can see there. 1.830. 1.829, 1.830. Kind of hard to tell. Don't have a good camera angle, because this is as high as my tripod will go. But this weighs a lot more than average, 1.829 ounces. Thanks for tuning in. I just unboxed a 1986 Porsche 959 from the 2020 Hot Wheels Wild Terrain Card Culture Premium Series, number 5 of 5 of that series. Thanks for tuning in once again. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.